Hello, I'm Jay, owner of Volunteer Audio in Oliver Springs, Tennessee. Making a video to show you the brand new Mille Pro shallow mount sub, the MPS 250. There's also an MPS 312-inch version. Hang out, we'll do an unboxing, I'll go over all the specs and show you this amazing new sub. All right, so let's get this thing open. We'll go over what comes with it, and then we'll go over the specs. All right, one awesome thing about the new shallow mount subs, whether it be the 10 or the 12, they're going to come in a single 4 ohm or single 2 ohm impedance, but they're also going to include the Grille. Most every other sub that you go to buy, outside of the Audison shallow subs, you got to buy the Grille separate. So we have this very, very nice Grille made just for this subwoofer. Now, what I'm thinking right away when I saw this sub was that we're going to be putting this in Harley Davidson motorcycles. I'm going to be putting it in the side bag, and it is going to get down. I looked at the specs, looked at the size of the coil, looked at the depth that we're working with, and I think it's going to be perfect for that. But inside the box, you're going to get the sub, you're going to get a Grille, you're going to get some hardware to mount it with. But now let's take a second, let's go over all the specs on why this thing's going to be so awesome. All right, so now I've removed the Grille so you can see the actual subwoofer. It's just press fit in, so I used a screwdriver and popped it out. Hertz has built us an amazing shallow sub. It's in the Mille Pro line, which is normally their upper end or their best subwoofer. It's designed for extremely small enclosures, so a ½ cubic foot is all it's needed. I think it's going to go great right in the side bag of a Harley. Can't wait to cut one and put this in. Now, it is designed mainly for sealed enclosures. So the guys with the sealed imported bags, not sure what the response is going to be like. But with a ½ cubic foot of airspace, this is going to play 47 Hertz, very, very nice. That's going to be the optimum frequency for it, but it's going to play the full range from 20 Hertz all the way up well past 100 Hertz. It needs 500 watts of RMS power. Now let's be clear what RMS means. That is the maximum continuous power. Don't throw 800 or 1,000 to it, because as soon as you get a clip signal, you'll burn up your sub. So probably anywhere between 300 to 500 RMS would be optimum to get the most out of this subwoofer. It is going to handle up to 1,000 watts peak, and it's available in single 4 or single 2 ohm. It's going to be great under the back seat of a truck in a sealed box for that, as well as in these power sport environments like a side-by-side or a Harley. The whole face is going to be waterproof, and before long, I'm sure we'll do a build on these and let you hear them inside a Harley. But I'm excited about these new products from Hertz. I just want to take a minute, show you about them. They're available currently on our website at volunteeraudio.com. If you have questions, you can call me at 1-844-30-AUDIO or send us an email at sales@volaudio.com. Thank you for watching. God bless. Hope you have a great day.